Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm at a property that we've renovated and I wanted to show you how we've transformed the exterior. This project was all about reimagining a tired-looking brick home into a modern-day urban farmhouse with wow factor and street appeal. The exterior of this home was dated and lacked the classic charm and character we needed to bring the vision to life. We often say the roof is the crowning glory of the home. It has a huge impact on your street appeal and can make or break your vision. And it's not just about keeping your family safe and dry, it also is a huge feature of your home's design. You can see that a lot of roof is visible with this home, so our choice of material was really important. We chose the steel roofing product from LYSAGHT called SNAPSEAM in the COLORBOND colour Basalt. This product really delivers on the urban contemporary look. It has wide flat pans that contrast with a low but substantial rib. We love its clean but striking look. It's a perfect solution for a contemporary architectural design. A clip-fixed installation method makes it an easy install for professional roofers. LYSAGHT has been manufacturing steel building products in Australia for over 100 years and their products are available Australia-wide. LYSAGHT provides lots of options to suit any design. With a great range of colours and shapes, head online to find your dream roof today.